Hello creators! If you want to make money as a YouTuber, then this video is for you because I'm going to go through the process of how to start generating income as you grow your audience. And if you're new here, my name is Chrissy Walker. I help small content creators make better content, get more subscribers, and make more money online. And if you like what you just heard, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first part about this process is you want to go ahead and download my free YouTube growth roadmap, which is available in the description below. And again, it's free. And in this roadmap, I basically take you day by day on what you should do in your video production process. And as long as you follow it to a T on a weekly basis, you will be able to see steady growth with your channel. So go ahead and download that. Again, it's completely free and it's linked down below. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to identify your specialty. So what does that mean? Okay. In all honesty, I know we're tired of the niching down tip, but that's essentially what it is. You want to basically figure out what is the category of your channel and how can this serve your audience. And so when you identify your specialty, you want to figure out what can you help with. Is it something that has to do with lifestyle? Is it beauty? Is it skincare? Is it content creation? Is it baking, cooking? I don't know. Whatever that is for you, you want to identify that and you want to make content surrounding that. And I highly recommend to make sure that all of your content surrounds that topic, because when somebody subscribes to your video or when somebody subscribes to your channel because of a specific video, they're subscribing to you because of the context of that video. So if you're making a video on how to bake a cake, the reason why they're subscribing to you is because they're probably anticipating you to create more recipe videos, more baking videos, cooking, anything that surrounds food. That's probably why they're subscribed to you. So if they go through their subscriptions list or if they're on their feed and you pop up and you're not talking about recipes or anything like that, they're going to be confused why they subscribe to you in the first place. So it's really important that you make your content around this specific category. And now what you can do is you can pick a niche and then you can create content pillars so somehow it still aligns with that niche. But I would highly recommend to just keep it as focused as possible. You don't have to be super niche down, but try to be niche down and figure out who your ideal audience is and what do they want to watch. So I'll take my channel, for example. I make content, or I give content creation tips for beginners. And so I have 3 content pillars. I have YouTube strategy, I have content creation tips, and then I have entrepreneurship. And so the YouTube strategy is just like this video, giving you a strategy on how to go about growing your channel. And then you have your content creation tips where I teach tutorials, I teach you how to edit, I teach you tips on how to make your content better. And the third one is entrepreneurship, because essentially if you want to be a content creator, you probably want to make money off of being a content creator, because if it's not just a hobby to you, then it's something more. If you want to grow as a creator, then there's an objective behind it, and it's most likely so that you can make an income with it. So entrepreneurship is a huge part of this channel, where the direction of the lessons are going to be going, just like this video as well. But you want to identify your specialty and figure out, what do you want to be known for? And you don't have to include everything that you like in your channel, such as if you're passionate about multiple things. Just think about one thing that you really like. Either you're really good at it or you're really passionate about and you know you can make money with. Pick that one thing. And that could be just, a section of your life that you talk about a lot, and you can make a channel about that. It doesn't have to be, again, you don't have to have everything that you like in your life or you're good at in your life in one channel. You could have one channel based on like that one highlight of your life, that one hobby, or that one thing that you're proficient in. So figure out what your specialty is. And when you create your videos, just keep in mind that you want to solve someone's problem. And I noticed that educational content typically make more money than, or make money faster than just entertainment type of videos, because with the educational space, people love growth. They love personal growth. They love to learn more. They want to improve themselves. And so people invest in that. So if you have an educational channel where you are solving someone's problem, whether if it's like maybe skincare routine or fitness or business, then people are going to subscribe to you because they want to learn more and they want to improve and they want to get better at something. So better in one of those areas of their lives. And so then the next step of the process is to create content weekly. Okay, so in this step, you are converting your viewers to subscribers. So that is the goal with this. So when you create content weekly, you are creating those videos that surround your niche or that fall under one of your content pillars. And so what this does is it will make you a familiar face. When you create content weekly, you are warming up your audience, you are getting people familiar with you. And so when you pop up, they know, oh, okay, there's Chrissy, she talks about content creation, or there's Chrissy, she talks about how to make money online, or there's Chrissy, she makes YouTube videos. So people will know me, or if, you're already subscribed to me and you know me, you know that I help with improving content and help you with making money with your content. And so you want to be a specialist in your field so that when people, and you also want to post consistently so that when people do see you online, they know exactly who you are. Like a doctor, if you like Dr. Miami, we know Dr. Miami for being the surgeon, like the top surgeon for doing like Brazilian butt lift, like cosmetic surgery. And so he's known for that. And if he has other professions or if he has other hobbies or stuff like that, we don't really know about that. That's not part of his brand. And so that's what I mean when I say pick something in your life, like a corner of your life that you want to create content on. And you don't have to put your whole life on the internet, just that corner. And your channel doesn't define you. That's, I guess, what I'm trying to say. Because with Dr. Miami, I mean, like, he's known for cosmetic procedures, but he probably has so much more to his life, like 90% of his life that's not even known, and he keeps that to himself, and not for privacy purposes, but it's just so people can understand, like, you watching this, you can understand that there's no pressure. Like, I don't want you to be pressured into niching down. I don't want you to feel like you have to niche down, but you should niche down because I want you to grow faster. I want you to grow faster by niching down, but I want you to keep in mind that yes, you may be a multi-passionate person, or you may love multiple things and you want to talk about so many things, but just pick one corner of your life to talk about first. And then, maybe as you grow, you can broaden out, or you can make another channel about another corner of your life. So that's all I'm trying to say. I know it's kind of like a long-winded explanation, but I just want to make it clear that it's really important that you do niche down if you want faster growth. And when you post content weekly and you're warming up your audience and you're gaining their trust, you're also making it known that you are somewhat an expert in your niche, and also you're building connection with your community. And I love this part. This part is my favorite, is building that connection, because one, being a content creator is already as lonely as it is. And two, this connection that you create is just, it feels good. And also in the long run, like, this is not even the goal for me. I love building connection with people because connection is just like, it makes the world go round, in my opinion. But also people that you build connections with will most likely support you in your journey. And if you have products or services to offer, they'll most likely buy from you because you've built that trust and you built that connection with them. And so that's why it's really important to create content weekly, to get your own personal brand built and to start building your community and getting people to trust you. And this is how you convert your viewers to subscribers, is getting their trust in one of your videos. The next step is to build an email list. And so during this step, you are converting your YouTube subscribers to your email list subscribers. And this is really important because of a couple things. One, if YouTube were to all of a sudden shut down, even for a day, that could affect like your analytics and your income as you grow. But if YouTube were to shut down, or a major algorithm changed and for some reason you're not able to grow anymore, you have your email list to fall back on. Let's say you have, let's do like basic math. So let's say you have 10,000 subscribers and 1,000 of your subscribers are on your email list because these people trust you. They are loyal subscribers. They love your content. They love what you do. They love what you have to offer. They love your messaging. They love your personality and everything. So if you build up your email list and you have that connection with 1,000 newsletter subscribers, then these are your 1,000 true fans. And they say when you have 1,000 true fans, you're set financially. They will always buy from you. And no matter what you have to offer, they will love it, they will support you. And so if you have 10,000 subscribers and you're able to convert 1,000 of them to your newsletter, then that is the right track that you want to go. So build up your email list, and you can build it as you go. You can make it bigger, or the goal is to get as many people onto your email list as possible. And the way to do that is you want to offer a freebie, just like my free YouTube growth roadmap linked in the description below. But you want to create a freebie that is so valuable, that is a must-have, that resolves a problem for someone and will get them to opt in. And so when they download that freebie from your description and they receive their download and stuff like that, they become a subscriber on your email list. And if they stay as a subscriber on your email list, then it'll be easier to reach them, because another reason why having an email list is super important is because your content isn't always going to show up for your subscribers. So just because you have 1,000 subscribers doesn't mean they're all seeing your content pop up on their feed. And so if you have them on your email list, you're able to reach them easier because people always check their emails. I mean, they have their notifications on, it's always popping up. And so if you're able to reach them via email, you'll probably get more eyes or get more awareness around who you are and your personal brand through email lists, because you're repeatedly showing up. And it's kind of like a miniature glimpse text where they can, how you see the subject line and a little bit of the message. It's kind of like a little bit of text message. It's like little nudges. These are little nuggets of you planning, or little seeds. You're planting these little seeds of them knowing who you are. Like, for example, I haven't subscribed to this spiritual coach for nearly a decade. I've never purchased from her, but I know her very well. And it's because of her emails. Like, I don't even go on her Instagram anymore. I don't even know if she has YouTube, but I know who she is because of her emails. And so just because someone doesn't look at your content doesn't mean they're not going to know you. You can have an email list and you can reach them, send out emails every single week, and people will learn to know who you are. They'll learn to know that you're a specialist in your field, and they'll know that you provide value to them just by sending them emails. And so build your email list, make it like your, not a backup, but make it like make it a goal. Make it a goal for yourself as you grow your channel. You want to make it a very, very strict goal that you do your best to get your subscribers to convert to your email list. So make your freebie so good that they know that anything else that you sell or launch is going to be even better. So if you make your freebie so valuable, they know that anything that you have to sell is going to be amazing. So be sure your freebie has that kind of value or that kind of, influence on people. Then the next step in the process is to sell a service or a product. So you don't have to get this done right away. You can build it up over time, and then main thing is to build up your email list, and then when you're ready, you can sell. But you can actually start selling stuff almost immediately, and that's through affiliate marketing. So figure out ways that you can incorporate affiliate marketing. And I think the best way is Amazon Associates. It's the easiest way to get started. People love buying stuff for themselves. So if you are a skincare channel or even just generally a beauty channel, you can offer recommendations on skincare products that work for you. And if people really trust you and they are in your email list, then they'll be able to click on that recommended product that you mentioned, and then you get a commission of that sale. So affiliate marketing allows you the opportunity to start selling right away as you grow your channel and you build your email list. But you don't have to just sell through your email list. You can also sell through the description of your YouTube videos. And you can even sell like in the community tab, and you can sell on Instagram if you have Instagram, or even Facebook or Facebook communities, wherever. You can sell wherever. But I think the ultimate goal is to build up your email list. And then when you sell your service, people have the opportunity to buy from you. So as you continue to publish content and build your email list, you can launch a service or products and offer it to people. And then I will go ahead and break down the numbers. So let's say you want to make $1,000 a month. We'll stick with that number. If you want to make $1,000 a month and you have $10 digital products or $10 services, then all you need is 100 people to buy from you every single month. Just 100, okay? So let's say you have a $50 product or service, then all you need is 20 people to buy from you every single month if you want to make $1,000 a month. And then if you have $100 products or services, then all you need is 10 people to buy from you every single month to make $1,000 a month. And so that's me breaking down all the numbers for you for something very simple like $1,000 a month. What can you do with $1,000 a month? This is going to be such comfort money. Like there's going to be, if you're someone who's not financially struggling, this is definitely going to be a cushion for you. We're going to go ahead and just summarize everything. First of all, download my roadmap. Free YouTube growth roadmap. in the description below. Then you want to identify your specialty. You want to post content weekly around that specialty. You want to build your email list. So try to get everyone from your social media, from your YouTube, from anywhere and everywhere to convert to your email list. And then you want to start selling products or services via affiliate products, affiliate links, or products or services. And an example for products can be digital products. So you can sell like planners or checklists, or if you're solving someone's problem, you can create an ebook on that. So you can sell ebooks, you can sell online courses, you can sell programs, you can sell products, merchandise, anything. You can sell anything. You can even sell services. So if you are a web designer, you can offer your services of that. If you're a video editor, you can offer those services. If you do custom products, then, you know, take on clients and create custom products. But that is how you can get started today on working on growing your income as you grow your audience. And if you found this video helpful, then I would definitely appreciate it if you clicked on the video on the screen, and I'll be happy to see you there. Bye.